Let's look at some different ways to zoom and view layouts on a financial model. Right now, this model is in normal view. But let's try 5 other layout and zooming techniques. Number 1, Alt-WI, Page Break View. This view allows you to see and adjust print ranges very quickly. Number 2, Alt-WP, Page Layout View. This view takes up more space on the screen. It's helpful to hide Excel's ribbon using Ctrl F1. This view allows you to see how your file will be printed, including headers and footers. Number 3, Alt-WL, Normal View. Note that the print ranges are now outlined even in normal view. Number 4, Alt-VZ, Control Zoom from 10 to 400%. Number 5, Alt-WG, Zoom on current selection. For more Tuesday Time Savers, modeling tips, and Marquee Group training programs, let's connect.